All right, Keith, this is when our state, we realize, is pretty big because, you know, some people seeing some sun right now, others getting some storms moving through.
Yeah, it's kind of all over the place, and some of us are in between. Like southern Maine, there's some sun, but there's some showers around, and so got to be prepared for everything. That's part of the fun of it. Temperatures knocked back in a lot of places. We were in the 70s, knocked back to the 60s, rain cooled. Bangor, for example, Rockland, Bar Harbor at 61 too, so we ended up much warmer than this obviously for our highs. And yeah, it's hard to summarize this radar picture. There's scattered showers everywhere. The best chance of consistent shower activity is the northern mid-coast into down East Maine, where we do have that band of rain moving in. Had a couple of thunderstorms in there, thunder showers in there with a couple of strikes of lightning. That'll continue to be a risk as it moves towards extreme down East Maine. Nothing crazy here though. Relatively progressive in the speed, so we don't have to worry about any kind of flooding. And then down to the south, we saw a shower just sail through kind of the north side of Portland there and just south as well into Cape Elizabeth. So these are just all over the place. There's fewer of them off to the north and west though as we look back towards Sebago. So isolated showers and storms continue until about sunset. Then things settle down pretty quickly as that's part of the catalyst for these showers. Temperatures tonight down into the 50s, a couple of 40s too, a little crisp. And then tomorrow looks good. Mixture of sun and clouds. This model pops a couple of sprinkles, maybe. I think more so it's picking up on some cumulus clouds that get vertical in the afternoon. So we might have a couple of dark looking clouds that don't do much tomorrow afternoon along the coastline. Inland, mid 70s there. It looks good. And then watch Wednesday morning. It gets pretty cool there Wednesday morning. We start out in the 40s and then we end up in the 70s again. I'm going quickly because there's not a lot going on here. Into Thursday, kind of the same deal. A lot of sunshine. Temperatures are in the mid 70s. So having a look ahead to Wednesday morning, because I think that's a morning if you get up early enough, you go outside, walk a dog, whatever you're doing, and it's like, ooh, all right, 40s, maybe a couple of 30s even in Berlin. I could be persuaded to go 39 there into maybe Rangeley as well. We'll have to keep an eye on the latest models, but it's going to be on the cool side. We are going to recover though, big swing in the afternoon, plus 20 to 25 degrees depending on your location, but just want you to be aware that Wednesday morning you'll feel that a bit. So hey, high pressure, there's no middle ground on this summer so far. It's been what it was, which we will not speak of, and then it's been pretty much great since then. And so high pressure is in place all week until Friday, and then some showers and storms come through on Friday afternoon. And those will continue through the first half of Saturday. We should be able to clear out Saturday afternoon and get Sunday as a decent day as well. So overall, nice stretch of weather. Temperatures, a little coolish, but I don't think it's fine. I was saying the other day that like yesterday I was outside, I was working on my roof, and 75 felt hot up there. So I can only imagine what it would have felt like to do that the week before. The only rain we really have here is Friday night and through the first half of Saturday. Should be able to clear out. Next week looks a little bit more typical as far as sticky and maybe a little bit warmer. But we're definitely obviously in a good groove, so just try to keep this going. I think this is pretty popular.
This is mostly popular.
Yeah,
I think
it's the sleeping. You can do stuff outside.
Could be a little bit warmer.
I'm of the camp where we didn't have the hot summer, and so I'm not. And I love fall,
right?
But I'm not ready for like
yet.
the cooler, crisp.
No, because we lost some weeks in there. It's funny. It depends what you're trying to do. Like I'm on the Sebago Lake group, and they're like, it could be warmer. Because when you're trying to be like forced to get into the water, it's not quite there. But we'll take that over where we were.
For sure. Keith, thank you.